Okay guys, what up? Today I would like to show you why your PS4 controller is not charging, how to fix it. Some people told you to stick a pen back there, but I tried it didn't work. So turns out the problem is not with your controller, the problem is with your charger. For me, in my case, I'm using my phone's charger. I use it because it charged my phone fast and it works for a while, but now somehow it doesn't work anymore. See, I have the cable there, the power plug is on. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Okay, there, it's on. Nothing. Didn't charge. So I'm going to show you again. Using the same cable. I'm going to charge my phone. See? Charging. So why didn't it work? Why didn't it charge? Because you were using the wrong head. See, this is what I'm using, but it turns out I need to use something like this. It's longer. See that? This one is fatter and shorter, this one longer. So I'm gonna show it again. There. It's not fake, it's real. I cracked my head up for this, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. And yeah, that's it. Get yourself a charger with a long one, not like this. It's longer. Anyway, and your PS4 will charge. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys can solve the problem.